I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Job Science. Today's job are from Dubai, and all of them are new and latest jobs, and obviously local as well. And only those who are Dubai nationals and who are living in Dubai these days can apply for these jobs. And let's share my job list today. Female secretary or male sales. Basically, this company requires more than one position. And then is executive in Ajman. HR manager job in Dubai. Tailor's job in Sharjah. Urgent hiring admin secretary Dubai. Kitchen helpers, cleaners for restaurant jobs in Dubai, urgently looking for an administrative secretary, cashier barista jobs in Abu Dhabi, beautician jobs in Dubai, full time professional cleaner, meat jobs in Dubai. So these were the my job list today, and I'm hoping for some job is for you as well. And obviously, as soon as I get the jobs which are mentioned in the comments, I will definitely put them in my videos. And one thing I want to tell you over here that please. Like all my videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well for all of the latest updates. Then the first job is female secretary, male sales and executive in Ajman. Company name is Noorul Huda Glass Trading LLC. Employment type full time. Monthly salary is this. Job role sales executive. Minimum work experience 0 to 1 years. Minimum education level is bachelor's degree. And the description in description they didn't mention anything for any of the job, but the positions vacant are number first is female secretary or office assistant, but whatever the position name, they need a female person for this job. Glass foreman supervisor with driving license, then male sales executive. And if any one of you is are interested in this job, please call them at their given number, or you can share your CV at this WhatsApp number, and you can get the further details of the jobs, as they didn't mention anything regarding this job. Then HR manager jobs in Dubai. Company name Mira Real Estate. Employment type full time. Monthly salary 6,000 to 8,000. Job role HR manager. Benefits health insurance. Minimum work experience 2 to 5 years. Minimum education level bachelor's degree. So then HR manager job in Dubai description and the job summary. Human resource manager will lead and direct the routine functions of the human resource department, including hiring and interviewing staff. So this is one of the major duty of the human resource manager, administering pay, benefits and leave, and enforcing company policies and practices. So this is his duty to identify the problems and the benefits given to any each of the employee, then the leaves they are they are applying, and then enforcing the company policies, and it's his duty to enforce all of the policies and practicing all of these in a perfect manner. Then supervisory responsibilities, recruits, interview, hires, and trains new staff in the department. So this is another duty of him, that he need to recruit the new inductees as well, and he need to take the interviews according to the need, and then train the new staff accordingly. Oversees the daily workflow of the department, provides constructive and timely performance evaluations. He need to identify the problems after evaluating all of the workflow during going on in every department, and then handles discipline and termination of employees in accordance with the company policy if it is needed. So he need to handle all of the disciplinary issues of the company from all of the departments as well, and if it needed the termination of employee, then it would be it is his duty to do it according to the policy and according to the the means of whatever the company has practicing. Then duties and responsibilities. Partners with the leadership team to understand and execute the organization, human resource, and talent strategy, particularly as it relates to current and future talent needs, recruiting, retention, and succession planning. Then duties and responsibilities further manages the talent acquisition process, which may include recruitment, interviewing, and hiring of qualified job applicants, particularly for managerial, exempt, and professional roles. Collaborates with departmental managers to understand skills and competencies required for the opening. So he need to identify the needs of the job, the needs of the department, then accordingly the interviews, the results of the interviews, and hiring of the proper and the appropriate inductee, and then professional training of him or his. Then oversees employee disciplinary meetings, terminations, and investigations. This I have already told you that he, if it is needed according to the disciplinary action of the company, then the person may can, then it is may possible that he has to terminate as well. Then maintains compliance with federal, state, and local employment laws and regulations, and recommended best practices, reviews, policies, and practices to maintain compliance, and then maintains knowledge, regulatory changes, talent management, and employment law, performs other duties as assigned. Send your CV via WhatsApp if you are interested and you know how to deal with the interviews, with the hiring, with the recruitment, with the the practicing of the policies. And if you can do all of the things, if you have any experience regarding this, please go for ahead and apply for the job. Here they have given their WhatsApp number. Share your CV and you can contact them through the email address as well, through this number as well. Then HR jobs in Dubai oversees employee disciplinary meetings, terminations, and investigations, maintain compliance with federal, state, and local employment laws and regulations, and recommended best practices, review policies and practices to maintain compliance. Next job is tailor's job in Sharjah. Employment time full time. Minimum work experience is 2 to 5 years, means they need an experienced person for this job. Ladies abaya tailor and master tailor for sports uniforms. So they need a person who can stitch the abaya for the ladies and who can stitch the sports uniform specifically. So they have mentioned you two numbers. You can call them if you have an experience relating to the mentioned time, 2 to 5 years. So if you are, qualifying this experience demand, so please contact them, call them, and get the details. Urgent hiring admin secretary Dubai. Company name Bab Al Medina Rent a Car. This is basically the company is Bab Al Medina Rent a Car, and employment type is full time. Monthly salary is 2 to 4,000 AED. Benefits as per UAE law. Minimum work experience 1 to 2 years. Minimum education level is bachelor's degree. And the requirements for the admin secretary is must have secretarial admin experience. The person should have experience in the regarding field. Excellent telephone communication skills. The person should have a specific and excellent type of communication skills. Proficiency in Microsoft applications. You need to know all of the the softwares using in the Microsoft Office. Must have a great personal presentation, and you have a very graceful personality as well. It means assist in the preparation of regularly scheduled reports and deliveries to clients, and you also have to work for the preparing the scheduled reports and deliveries to the clients. Then description is requirements. As far as requirements are concerned, follow up with the current customers and attend the new customer. Candidates who can join immediately will be given preference. Those who can join them on an immediate basis are they were preferred them. Send your CV to WhatsApp only, but strictly no calls. They have mentioned in their ad that you are not allowed to call them, so please do not call, and WhatsApp them, and you can share your CV at the following given number and contact through this number by sending message only. Then kitchen helpers, cleaners for restaurant jobs in Dubai. Employment type full time, monthly salary 0 to 2,000 AED, benefits, visa, accommodation, food, and transportation. Minimum experience is 1 to 2 years. So company is going to provide you the visa, the accommodation, the food, the transportation, along with the salary, but they need an experienced person at least 1 to 2 years. So, a well known restaurant in Dubai looking for the following staffs: kitchen helpers, cleaners, and shawarma makers. And nationality Asians only. So they are interested in Asians only, and salary is 1 to 2,000. Other benefits I have already mentioned them: food, accommodation, transportation, visa. So if you are interested, so contact them for more information. They have mentioned their number, and they have given you their postal address as well. So you can meet them in person as well. You can call them. You can share your CV at the following given number. So if you are interested, contact them. Administrative secretary needed in Dubai. Company name Diamond Translation. Employment full time, salary 2 to 4,000. Job role administrative secretary. Benefits visa will be provided by the company. Minimum work experience is 0 to 1 years, means if you have no experience, you can apply at least for the job. Then administrative secretary needed in the BIX description. We are urgently looking for a responsible and dedicated secretary to perform a variety of administrative and clerical tasks. Salary is 25,800 AED, including everything. And now I don't know, including everything means that your accommodation, food, and everything is basically the part of this salary, or it is minus this salary. This is you need to know by call them, by contact them. I'm telling you, I'm just about to tell you about their contact details. Duties of the secretary include providing support to our managers, assisting in daily office needs, and managing our company general activity. This is basically the person is needed for to manage all of the departments and to manage the everyday going on activities of the company. Number one responsibility is answer and direct phone calls, coordinating with the suppliers and clients, develop and maintain a filing system, reconcile bank reports, arrange statements for the clients, preparing quotation to be checked by the manager. So these are all the things which they are interested in, and any person who has to do all of these things. Then further requirements are knowledge of the office management system and procedures, working knowledge of office equipment like printing and scanning, proficiency in MS Office. It's not a big deal to learn how to use the printer and scanner, so it's not a big deal. By the way, if you know how to handle the computer, then you can do all these things in 5 minutes or more than, or who can, maybe you can take more than 5 minutes, but it's not a big deal to learn how to print and how to scan. But you should know how to use MS Office, specifically MS Word, Excel, and Outlook. Excellent time management skills and the ability to prioritize work. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. This is important to note that you should have a very good, excellent, very good written and communication skill. Verbal, both written and verbal communication skills, because this is the duty specifically of the secretary, and the strong organizational skill with the ability to multitask. And the person should be multitasking, have the ability to do the things more than one thing at one time. Interested candidates, please send your CVs by the email, and you need to send your CV at the following given email address, that is DLT main133@gmail.com. This is their email address, and please share your CV at the following given now email address, and you can contact them through this email address as well for further details of. Next job is cashier barista jobs in Abu Dhabi. Looking for cashier and barista based in Abu Dhabi. For candidates, send your CV to the following email address. And then full-time professional cleaners or maids job in Dubai. Company name Samad Real Estate. Employment full-time, monthly 2 to 4,000 AD. Benefits accommodation, minimum work experience 1 to 2 years. Okay, full-time professional cleaners maid jobs in Dubai. Description for this: they are looking to hire a decent individual who can take care of our property and office cleaning. So obviously your responsibility is just to clean their offices, and duties may include one proper deep cleaning, one daily proper deep cleaning. Then you need to wash and arranging and organizing the things, and obviously other day-to-day small tasks, obviously being helper or the cleaner. Must be punctual, hardworking, and professional. So they want a person who is punctual, and hardworking, and can easily understand the instructions given by the employer. So this is an considered as an easy job. So if you are doing nothing, you can apply for the job. So description is you must know English. And I already have told you that if you are not in your own country and you are doing things in the other country, so first of all, it is the best thing that you know the language of that country in which you are living these days, like Dubai, or the Middle East countries, or in any other European countries. So you should know the languages stock, the language of their native language, by the way. And if you are not knowing the native language, then you should know English. This is English is the language which is considered as an international language, and so it's important to know how to speak in English. Accommodations will be provided. Report 6 days in a week. You need to work for 6 days. You have one day off in a week. And interested candidates send your CV and can contact on below mentioned details. So please contact them at the following given number, and you can share your CV. You can contact them for further details as well. I thank you all. It was my last day job, and we will meet again in the new and the upcoming videos with the new and latest jobs. Up till then, tata, bye bye.